Are you looking to move your caravan? Don't know where to turn or who to trust? Welcome to Ewicks Caravan Movers. We're here to help you single-handedly move your caravan, big or small, by effortlessly operating only 2 switches. Ewicks Movers moves on its own without effort, whether the caravan is on a campsite or in your garage. Our units are powered by your existing caravan battery. Don't worry if you don't have one, we can install a battery and charger for you. They are permanently fitted, so as to be available whenever you require them. Offering you power with control to move your caravan without strain over short distances, in and out of tight spaces, without any sweat or having to break the bank to do so. It is simple, easy to use, and makes your life a lot less hassle. We never hesitate to go the extra mile for our clients. We genuinely care about making sure you get only the best of the best. There's no time to lose. Get in touch with us today, we're always happy to help.